Amsterdam to me is the capital of dance music and also the capital of the beautiful country I live in. I love playing in Amsterdam because it challenges you to come up with new music. At Amsterdam Music Festival I'm going to introduce people to the hardest styles in dance music in the best way possible. I try to give people a good time and just make them happy. At this moment I'm working my ass off in the studio and I will play some brand new tracks. Just enjoy yourself and lose control.